their gods erased, names chiseled out, their power displaced. Gold was seized, estates undone. The wealth of Amun fed the sun.
But priests remember longer than kings, and silence sharpens hidden things. In shadowed courts and distant lands, they waited patient, bound by plan. A god of light without a past rose bright but burned too pure, too fast. No myths to hold the people tight, no rituals born of ancient night.
The farmer prayed as fathers did. The old gods lived where new was hid. Aten ruled by royal voice, not by the people's willing choice.
When faith is forced and roots are torn, the old gods wait to be reborn. No throne can break what time has sealed. No sun alone can make men yield.
For power bends where memory stays, and truth survives in ancient ways. A revolution lit by flame can fade, yet leave the past unchanged.
Beyond the Nile, the borders bled. Vassal towns unanswered, left for dead. From Babylon's cries to Canaan's fall, the letters came unanswered all. While Aten filled the royal mind, the world beyond was left behind, and priests would whisper low and slow, this God defends, or does he know?
When Akhenaten's voice was gone, no firm command to hold it on. The court divided, young kings rose, uncertainty began to close.
Tutankhamun changed his name. Amun restored the past reclaimed. Temples open, rights return, and Aten's altars cracked and burned. When faith is forced and roots are torn, the old gods wait to be reborn. No throne can break what time has sealed. No sun alone can make men yield. For power bends where memory stays, and truth survives in ancient ways. The crown may fall, the god may fade, but ancient order will not break. Names erased from stone and wall, cities chisel, firm command. The heresy was named and sealed, its lesson learned, its memory healed. Not all defeats are fought with swords, some men with prayers and temple doors. The sun once rose to rule alone, now gods return to claim their throne.
A revolution born of light was ended in a longer night, and Egypt learned through loss and flame, no king commands the gods by